So if y'all want to see something neat, you know that threadless roller extruder that I came up with the TPU wheels? So this here is a TPU, obviously, it's flexible. The default rolling screw extruder does not work with flexibles, but this actually does. It will feed flexibles into and out. Totally fine. Which is kind of neat. Sorry, this is like kinked like a mofo, so feeding isn't exactly the greatest, but let me know if y'all want me to upload this to my GitHub. I will happily upload the latest version.